I would like to start things up. So first of all, thank you so much for joining us, Ankit. I mean, it has been a pleasure, talking to you in during all this time, while hearing your stories.
Mm-hmm.
And let me tell you one thing. So it has been almost 2 or 3 years since I've been following you, your journey, and जो भी
Mm-hmm.
आपने travel वगैरह पूरा किया है.
Yeah.
And I remember, I don't know, I saw one of your posts in some group someday, और वहाँ से मैंने शायद आपको
Mm-hmm.
हम connect हो गए थे Facebook पर. And
Mm-hmm.
ever since that day, so I've been following your journey, and I mean the way you travel, it has been really inspiring. I'm not sure about others, but I mean it has definitely inspired me in one way or the other.
Thank
So
you.
thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
that.
Thank you. And yes, Indian Solo Traveler has helped me a lot. And बहुत सारे लोग मिले मुझे इस ग्रुप से, बहुत सारे फेलो ट्रेवलर्स मिले हैं जिन्होंने मुझे अपने घर में, अपने स्टेट में, अपने गांव में होस्ट किया. So it's very beautiful to connect with your group and all the travelers, all the members in your group. Thank you.
Well, it has been the same pleasure from our end as well. So before we start things up, I want to thank our admin panel, especially the Ritika, Sangmitra, and Amit. These guys have helped me a lot, in this interview, lining up with you, contacting you, and with all the research and everything. So a huge round of applause for our admin panel, our entire admin panel.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will start with some questions. I have framed a few questions for you. So, what
Mm-hmm.
is your idea behind this journey? What is your motive, or what is your mission? Behind your travel.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's a very simple journey to see my own country and to explore the real life in India. Okay, and I want to do this travel without any textbook, without any media channel, just by getting a first-hand knowledge of real life. So, if I ask you a question, if I may ask you a question, so how do you travel? And everyone, every other travel, if you are going to a new place, where do you stay and how do you meet the people and how do you explore? So we stay in hotels or we stay with our relatives or friends, and after some days we come back to our home. But that is a travel. That is not my idea. I am into a journey. This is a journey to meet everyone, all the villages, all the cities of India. And whenever I'm going to a new place, I stay with the strangers. I stay with the local public of that place. So hotels, lodges, and restaurants and shopping, that is not my idea. I want to see the real culture, and that can happen जब मैं वहाँ के रियल लोगों से मिल रहा हूँ. तो ये आइडिया मेरा 2017 में स्टार्ट हुआ था. 27 अगस्त 2017. आज मुझे 1021 डेज हो चुके हैं इस जर्नी को कंटिन्यू करते हुए, और हाफ इंडिया कंप्लीट हो चुका है, which means 15 states and 8 union territories. And नॉर्थ इंडिया, वेस्टर्न इंडिया, सदर्न इंडिया एंड सेंट्रल इंडिया, ये चार पार्ट कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. फ्रॉम सेंट्रल इंडिया आई विल गो टू ईस्ट इंडिया एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया. So in 15 states, I have met 600 families, and those 600 families are from farmers, weavers, artists, schools, students, and police force, army force, tribals of India, everyone. So they have hosted me like their own family member. So this is my
Right.
idea.
Well said. So tell me about the preparations of this
Mhm.
journey. I mean, especially about your bicycle, because it has been your partner for
Mhm.
1021 days, and I mean, whatever you travel, wherever you travel, it is going to be a companion for throughout your journey. So tell me
Mhm.
about the preparations.
Okay, so before the journey, I was just a normal person. I was working with a company, and then I was a journalist, and after that, I was a content writer. Okay, with a PR firm. But I left everything, all my jobs and all my normal life to start this journey. And before this journey, I was cycling for my fitness. Okay, I was promoting cycle to work, that we should promote to. And I was doing some long distance cycling, like 600 kilometer within 40 hours. Uh, so that was my earlier plan. Okay, and that helped me to get better with my health. But in this journey, whatever I am doing, I did not prepare much. In initial journey, I was carrying very heavy luggage, like 40 kgs of luggage and some unnecessary clothing. But now I have left
Right.
everything. Whatever I'm learning during the journey that we should carry very less luggage. If you want to become a true traveler, you should carry very less luggage. I'm carrying only two pairs of clothing. One pair I'm wearing, and one is in the bag. And apart from that, I'm carrying only some books and one diary. So
Right.
that was my preparation, and some friends helped me. And yes, for cycling also, I learned how to take care of cycle. And there is a nickname of my cycle which is Hawa Mahal. So
Yes,
I had start.
I read that in one of that
Yeah,
one of the media agencies wrote. So I read that.
yeah. So I had started this journey from Jaipur. So one of my friend, he gave the nickname to my cycle Hawa Mahal. So I'm riding
Hawa
on
Mahal.
Hawa Mahal, and that has been a great companion. And because of cycling, I'm getting so much of stories. If I was in a
Hmm.
car, or if I was on a train or bus or plane, I've I was not able to get so much of stories and experiences. So because I'm open into the environment, that's why I'm learning.
Okay, well, Ankit, so I'm going to inform all of my viewers that we are also accepting questions. So if you do have any, just ask them up. So I think first question we have from Sharmishta Nath. How old are you, Ankit?
30 years.
30. He's 30. Okay, so Kanchan Jadli, she says, my question is on education system. How we can teach, educate future children without sending them to schools, as I feel it's a failed system. I really don't think that it is related to travel, but if you would like to answer
Yeah.
that, I mean, it's all
Okay.
yours.
Yeah. So yeah, so I want to say in a very small words like that. I have seen some very good schools, some alternative education program in southern India, and they are not dependent on
Mhm.
ranking system. They are not dependent on
Okay.
the regular system of teaching that okay, you should stay in a classroom. But whatever I am learning through my journey, those kids in those schools, they are already learning at the age of 10 to 14 and 16. Okay, so education
Okay, so
system.
I mean, do you mean to say that they are learning, new skills and
Yeah,
weaving and
yes,
pottery making and all of that kind
yeah,
of stuff? Oh wow, that's great.
yeah. They
That's really
know
great.
they know how to grow their own food. They are learning organic farming and how to live
Hmm.
sustainably, how to live minimalistically. So though that is a good
Hmm.
education system, I think.
Okay, so we have one question from Miss Manisha. She says, "What make you start this journey?"
Okay, it was my dream. There was no inspiration
Hmm.
from outside world. There was no inspirational figure for me. I started because like everyone has a dream to travel. You have a dream,
Right,
but I wanted
of
to
course.
make that dream true. So that's why I had started. And when I had started this journey, I was not aware that this will be this much long. I had started only for 150 days, only for the cycling pleasure. Okay. So
Hmm.
that time I was a typical traveler, but during the journey, I have learned that I have realized कि मुझे ये जर्नी कंटिन्यू करनी चाहिए आगे और लोगों से मिलना चाहिए और चीजें सीखनी चाहिए इंडिया के बारे में वर्ल्ड के बारे में so that is my reason to do this journey.
Right. Well, so this is a very interesting question. So, as far
Mhm.
as I know, Lieutenant Colonel Vishal Elawat holds the current record for the longest journey on a bicycle within a country. He traveled 25,338 kilometers. That was back in 2018, and you have traveled more than 19,000 kilometers now. You have only covered 15 states of India, and you're supposed to, travel the other parts of the country. So, are you looking? Are you also looking to set the world record here?
No, I'm not looking for that because that was not my idea. that was my idea when I had started to set up a Guinness World Record. But I learned that if I am only doing for the sake of a Guinness World Record, then I'll not be able to explore. I'll not be able to change my lifestyle. So I have left that idea. I'm not focusing on the number of kilometers. Like I told you, our
Mm-hmm.
education system has made us to believe on some number game and to run after the ranking system. So I have left that idea. I'm more
Right.
focused on a journey. Yes, I have already covered 19,000. I will cover 20,000 more. Okay, that will be 40,000, and I don't know how many kilometers, but that will not be the idea of my journey ever.
So in 2016, if I clearly remember, you also covered 702 kilometers, and that was on the Golden Triangle, the Agra, Delhi, and Jaipur trail. So
Mm-hmm.
what was it?
Yeah.
It is about? I mean, was there any motive
Mm-hmm.
behind that journey? Was there any
Yeah,
reason to it?
that was only a record-making journey.
Okay.
It was only for 72 hours. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
Golden Triangle, which connects Jaipur,
Yes.
Agra, Delhi, Jaipur. It's a world famous tourist hub.
Right.
Okay, so
Yes.
I wanted to cover that Golden Triangle by cycle, and also with a simple cycle without any gear. Okay, and that
Mm-hmm.
was a continuous journey. I did not stop, I did not sleep for 69 hours. I continuously rode for 700 kilometers within 69 hours without sleeping, without eating
Mm-hmm.
anything. And I was promoting renewable energy. I had started it on
Okay.
20th August 2016, that is celebrated as
Mm-hmm.
नेशनल रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी डे इन इंडिया। तो मैंने अपनी साइकिल पे एक सोलर पैनल लगाया था पीछे, और अपने सारे मोबाइल्स, अपने गैजेट्स, कैमरा मैं उसी सोलर पैनल से चलते हुए चार्ज कर रहा था। तो
Okay.
वो तो वो एक नेशनल रिकॉर्ड था इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स के लिए। बट दैट वाज माय अर्लियर लाइफ, दैट वाज माय नॉर्मल लाइफ।
So how heavy was that? अब आप पूरा ट्रैवल पूरा आपने किया वो अपने बाइसिकल के पीछे
हाँ
रखकर,
हाँ।
so how heavy was that?
नो, वो छोटा सा था वो।
हाँ
ओके,
हाँ।
जिसे हम कैरियर पे फिट कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा।
एंड वो सोलर
ओके।
पावर से चार्ज हो रहा था, और मेरे मोबाइल वगैरह चार्ज कर रहा था वो। बाकी ये
हम्म।
था कि मैंने आई डिड नॉट स्लीप फॉर 69 आवर्स। आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम जयपुर
ओके।
टू आगरा टू दिल्ली एंड देन केम बैक टू जयपुर।
हम्म। So
सो
you did not sleep for 69 hours.
या, नो।
Okay. Wow. So moving on, we have another question from Sharmishta. She is asking, how do you fund your venture or traveling?
Okay, so I'm not using any money in this travel. I'm not promoting that you need lots of money to travel the world. Money comes at second or third place. I'm living on barter system. I stay always with new people, so food and stay is never a problem. And I'm doing this journey like
Mhm.
how people can travel. Vivekananda, Shankaracharya, Guru
Right.
Nanak, Jesus Christ.
I think we have lost Ankit. Uh, Ankit, if you're seeing this, you can send me the request and I will add you in the feed again.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that there was some internet connection there. So yes, what were you saying, please?
Yeah, so I'm doing this journey जैसे लोग पुराने जमाने में करते थे,
बिल्कुल.
विवेकानंदा, राहुल संकृत्य, so they used to mix with the people and they used to stay with the people, and they used to write
Mhm.
about their experiences, right? So
Mhm.
there was no exchange of money, there was only exchange of knowledge and relations and emotions. So I'm living with the
Mhm.
goodwill of people and a barter system. So we barter with each other. The knowledge I have, the knowledge they have. So if I am staying with a
Mhm.
farmer, I'll work with him. I'll stay with him, or whatever he is offering to eat, that will be my food. If I'm staying with an artist,
Right.
I'll stay like an artist. If I'm staying with a doctor, I'll be his support. So that's how I'm doing the
Mm-hmm.
journey without any money.
Okay, well, I hope that answers your question, Sharmishta. So, another question we have for you, Ankit. Nurse Simha says, did you not get thoughts like, how do I get back to career if I take long break, and how do you manage relatives and friends?
There is no uh, why do I need to manage a human person? I mean, they are my relatives, so मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ उनको manage करने में? Okay, and whatever you are doing in your life, they will always be questioning you, right? If even if you are doing
Mm-hmm.
something different out of the box, so लोग आपको question करेंगे ही. And
Mm-hmm.
career के लिए, I don't have any idea. I want to continue this
Mm-hmm.
journey. एंड जब आप इतना सब कुछ सीख लेते हैं इतना जर्नी करके, तो वहीं से आपको और नए आइडिया आते हैं. यू आई वांट टू बी विद farmers, I want to be with villagers, I want to work in organic farming, I want to
Mm-hmm.
work with sustainability. So you get new opportunities, you get new ideas
Mm-hmm.
where you can live happily. You don't need to worry more.
Right. Yeah. So I saw a pet there. Is it a dog
Yeah.
behind you?
No, no, it's a cat. So I'm staying with my host in Bangalore, so
It's a
they
cat.
have one cat. Two, yeah, two cats they have.
Okay, okay, wow,
Yeah.
cute. So Biswajit is asking what is barter system. So actually, it is a barter system.
Mhm.
Earlier we did not used to have money. So we used to exchange goods and services. अगर मेरे पास में आटा है और मुझे चावल चाहिए, तो जिसके पास में चावल है मैं वहां पर जाऊंगा एंड उसको बोलूंगा कि आई हैव फ्लोर या फिर आटा, एंड आप इसके बदले में मुझे चावल दे सकते हो. So this is how barter system, BARTER, this is what we used to call it. So this is
Mhm.
how barter system used to work, and this is the same mantra that Ankit has been following during his journey. So moving forward, Ankit, you traveled mostly through interior, parts of this country, the villages, the rural areas, and so what did you like the most about the tribal people, the people who live in
Mhm.
villages or the rural areas? So what was the uniqueness? I mean, is there any? If you can tell
Mhm.
me something about that.
Yeah. So here's the real life. I mean, India is, if you want to see the real India, so that lives in villages, according to Mahatma Gandhi. And I think that is very true. I have learned in my life that the basic people who are living in villages and the poor people, they are more ready to share to urban people.
Okay.
Okay. And whatever I have learned in my journey, like farming and kindness, empathy, how to mix into the culture, how to take care of your own people, and about the art, about the different traditional arts of India. तो ये सारी चीजें मुझे
Mm-hmm.
गांव से ज्यादा सीखने को मिली, क्योंकि हम लोग भी
Mm-hmm.
गांव से आए. अभी जो हमारे शहर बने वो भी पहले गांव ही थे. हम लोग माइग्रेट हो गए गांव
Right.
से शहरों में. बट अभी भी आप जो पीस देखेंगे या फिर टुगेदरनेस देखेंगे, वो गांव में देखने को मिलती है. एंड मेरी जितनी भी 600 फैमिलीज मुझे अभी तक इंडिया में मिली हैं, उनमें से मोस्टली
Mm-hmm.
फैमिलीज फार्मर्स थे, वीवर्स थे, आर्टिस्ट थे जो गांव में रहते हैं. और उन्होंने बिना मेरा बैकग्राउंड
Mm-hmm.
जाने, बिना शक किए मुझ पे सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट किया. उनके पास खाने के लिए
Mm-hmm.
नहीं होता था, लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे अपने घर पे अपने भाई या बेटी की तरह रखा, अपने रिसोर्सेस मेरे साथ शेयर किए. So it's all very beautiful to be in a village and to work there. And
Mm-hmm.
जितनी भी नॉलेज, अगर आप नेचुरल नॉलेज देखेंगे, एक जो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज होती है, वो और गांव से
Right.
सीखने को मिलती है.
Mhm. So Rajneesh is asking, Ankit, can you tell me the mantra behind your passion for cycling?
It's not about
I
only,
think you have
yeah,
already answered that. So yeah.
yeah. It's not about only cycling. It's more about being into the community. So whenever I get natural love, innocence from people, so I think that keeps me going.
बिल्कुल. So Kanchan says another say, She is saying that yes, my question is very much related to travel. I started traveling late because school, college do not support or promote travel much. If we want our children to travel, not just see a new place, but explore a different world, then we need a break from these schools.
Hmm.
I think I pretty much agree with this. I mean,
Yeah,
we do not really,
right.
I think, I mean, not really a break, but yeah, of course, I mean, we
Hmm.
should, I mean, teachers or, the education system should also include things which allows us to explore places, the culture, and of
Yeah.
course, India is a land of diversity. So,
Hmm.
I mean, yeah, Indian education should do something, related to travel. That is for
Absolutely.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So another question for you. I was really intrigued when I got to know about that book village which you found in Maharashtra. I mean,
Hmm.
of course, you did not
Hmm.
just find it. It was
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So can you tell us more about it? What was it? How was
Like
the experience?
I have explored many interesting villages in India. So the village of Book is one of them. So it's near the hill stations in Western Ghats. So after Panchgani, there
Hmm.
is a village called Bhilar, and that village is famous for their strawberry production, right? And
Okay.
the local administration and the local people, they have decided to make it uh, attractive for the tourist. So what did they do? उन्होंने 25 लोकल घरों को सेलेक्ट किया, उन घरों के रेसिडेंट से बात की, उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि अपने अपने घर में एक एक कमरा, एक एक रूम दे विल डिवोट फॉर बुक रीडिंग. So if I'm
Okay.
going as a tourist, if you are going as a tourist to
Mhm.
that village, so you will find a map for that village which says that they have 25 houses from 1 to 25.
Mhm.
So if you want to read women literature, you can go to the house number 25. If you want to read kids
Acha.
literature, you can go to the house number 18. So that is how they have
Okay.
segregated and they have devoted 25 houses, and that is how it has become the village of books. So they have a tagline, enjoy reading books while eating strawberries.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's very interesting. I'm sure I haven't heard of this until I heard from you.
So there are
So
many
Sharmish, yeah,
there are many other
yes, yes.
villages I have found that I found one village in Andhra Pradesh where the Veena makers of India, they were residing. No one knows that
Mm-hmm.
where Veena is made and who makes the Veena. So that village
Okay.
is near Vijayawada, and I was staying with those
Mm-hmm.
family, and they taught me how to make Veenas. Then there is a village
Acha.
where our legend, Mr. Pingali Venkaya. Pingali Venkaya is the person who
Uh-huh.
designed our Indian national flag. So no one knows
Okay.
that where is he from. So I landed into that village, where is he from, and that is very secluded and very forgotten kind of village. And then another
Mm-hmm.
village, the name of the village is Kuchipudi. So that is the village from
Mm-hmm.
where Kuchipudi dance had originated.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Oh,
many such
that's
villages
that's
are there.
very interesting. Mm-hmm. I'm sure, and you only get to learn about these things when you travel and when you explore these places.
Hmm. Yeah.
So, totally, totally. So, so what all skills have you learned? Of course, I mean this is a this is
Hmm.
a very appropriate question at that time, since you have
Yeah.
traveled to all these villages and all these places. So, what all skills have you learned?
Yeah, many things, and many things I want to learn and still I'm learning. So first thing is
Mm-hmm.
that which I like the most is farming. I have stayed with many organic farmers and I have learned
Mm-hmm.
maximum farming from tribals in central India and the organic farmers in South India. So South India has given me
Mm-hmm.
maximum knowledge about farming. And then second is this self-dependency. So I have stayed with some wood sculptors, so I have learned how to make your own wood sculptures and wood cutlery. So I have made कुछ मैंने plates बनाए थे, bowls and spoons बनाए थे. And then the shirt which I'm wearing right
Plates
now,
like वो
that's
I mean plates even जो आप leaves वगैरह से बनाते हो. I
yes,
mean that
yes.
kind of plates.
No, no,
अच्छा,
no,
okay.
wood से बनाया था carving करके.
Wood से.
हाँ, हाँ.
अच्छा, okay.
With the help of chisel
Okay.
and hammer.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Then the shirt which I'm wearing right now, that is I have woven it. This is a khadi shirt. So I was staying with some khadi
Uh-huh.
weavers in central India. So I learned how to weave, and I learned how they weave. So I was learning about their culture, and they taught me how to make your own cloth. So if you
Wow.
see the painting behind me,
Mhm. I was
it
going to ask about this painting and
yeah.
yeah, I mean it would be better अगर हम इस पेंटिंग के बारे में सबसे लास्ट में बात करें because I do
Okay.
not want कि हमारा कोई भी viewers
Mhm.
ना उनको पता चले अभी कि इस पेंटिंग के बारे में because I have I've heard
Mhm.
so much about this painting from you.
Yeah.
So hold your horses for some more time.
Yes.
So, of course, we are going to take a few more questions. Sharmishta has another question. She's asking, how do you approach strangers for work, food, and lodging?
Yeah, it has never been a problem for me. It's a very good society, and in 1021 days मैं कभी भी अकेला नहीं रहा. मैं हमेशा लोगों के साथ और उनके घरों में रहा हूँ. एंड नॉर्मल लाइफ में लोग 3 टाइम्स फूड लेते मील्स लेते अपने. आई एम ईटिंग 5 टाइम्स अ डे. जब लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं, दे लूज देयर वेट. आई एम गेनिंग माई वेट. So you can see that there has never been a problem from strangers, and strangers ही आपको सबसे अच्छी नॉलेज देते हैं. वही मेरे अभी सबसे अच्छे फ्रेंड बन गए हैं. एवरी डे आई एम गेटिंग मैसेजेस ऑन माय
इतना
मोबाइल.
इतना प्यार मिल रहा है अंकित भाई तो वेट तो बढ़ना ही है.
हाँ. और every day I get messages from school students and all the families that where I have reached, what I'm doing new, what place I'm exploring right now. Please tell us, please share the pictures with us. So, and even the states where I have not reached yet, like northeast and eastern part, people are waiting for me that when will I come. And even people from Uttarakhand, Nepal, and Bhutan, they are also waiting for me. When will I go to their home?
Okay. Wow, how sweet. How sweet. Sweet is the right word to describe this. So Rajnish Sharma is asking, can you share your personal experiences regarding people living in far remote places? Any particular person whom you inspired? Uh,
Mhm. Yeah, so there are many. I have got many stories from each state. I'll tell you one story, one or two stories. So it's about Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu, and it's about that the language barrier. People ask me, did you face any language barrier in different state? So this story is related to that. So I was there last year in Rameshwaram, and that is very far off place. You will not find much people over there, and you will not find more options to eat. So I was very hungry and exhausted. I was looking for some options to eat, and so there was this small shop. एक वहाँ पे local fishermen थे, उनकी एक छोटा से shop खोल खोल रखी थी उन्होंने. And he was selling only lemon water and some snacks, nothing much. So I went to his shop and I sat there and I pinpointed. I did not know Tamil and he did not understand my language. I pinpointed that I want one glass of lemon water and one plate of snacks. And within 2 minutes, he recognized me. I think he he realized that I am a traveler and I need energy. I need food. I am on a cycle. So he came to me and started speaking something in Tamil. I did not understand. So I asked him, okay, show me,
right.
what do you want to say? So he came back with a small packet and he opened. There was some rice and some vegetables. So he was offering his own lunch to me. So so I said, brother, this is your own lunch. We can share it half and half. So he said, no, no, I'm full, and you can eat. Then he went back. He prepared extra snacks. He prepared extra lemon water, and he did not charge me for anything. And it's the 1 day earning, and he did not charge me for anything. He devoted his 1 day earning for me.
Right.
So this
Right.
story is not only from Rameshwara, it is from Maharashtra, it is from Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kashmir, from everywhere.
So as they say, poorest people have the richest hearts.
Yeah,
So I mean, yeah, that is very true.
yeah.
So another question for you, Ankit. Saurav Guha Burman is asking, Ankit, did you also cycled up hills? What all places and what were the physical and mental challenges that you faced?
Yeah, my focus is to cover each and every corner of India. So I have covered Ladakh and Leh, all the mountains of Ladakh I have covered. That was my initial journey, and
Mhm.
that was my first corner of India, the north corner. So I covered Khardungla, the northernmost village, which is Turtuk. So that is challenging as well as amazing. The mountains very much hard. Is also pure in those mountains. So it was a very different experience. I stayed there in Ladakh and Leh for 50 days. For 50 days. So that, and then in Western Ghats also, there are some mountain ranges. And then in Deccan Plateau, which is nearby Bangalore and Hyderabad in southern India. So there are very beautiful. And what happens when you are going up, that pains your leg, and when you're going down, that pains your
Mhm.
hands, because the your whole body weight comes upon your, so both ways,
Mhm.
going upside or going downside.
Okay. So a quick hello to all the people who are watching us live and who were here, but left in the middle. So Rajdev is from a village which is near to Vijayawada, and I mean where the Krishna River is. So he's
Mhm.
saying hello to you. Sakshi Rampal is
Hello.
here. Rajdev is saying you are my inspiration and you need to get yourself registered in Limca Book of World Records.
No, no,
So
no, never.
that is
Thank you
very
for the
sweet of
wishes,
you,
but
Raj. But this is not how the way Ankit travels. I mean, the whole concept of his traveling is very different to what most of us aspire to. So, okay, so Sakshi Rampal has one question for you. How much time did you take to plan your routes and at what age?
I'm not planning. This is not a planned journey. It's a very big country. How can you plan? I mean, I don't know which new place I'm going the next day and who is hosting me the next day. So it's all, so three words are very prominent in my journey, which are spontaneity, uncertainty, and unplanning. So because of these three words, I am getting maximum experiences. And if I'm planning, I'll not be able to learn anything. If I'm planning, I'll be
Right.
restricting myself from going to some certain places. So I'm not never planning. It's all spontaneous. How people are meeting me, how these villages I'm exploring. It's totally unplanned.
So, any of the nights, when you did not have any accommodation or a roof to stay or without food, so any unforgettable experiences of these kind of situations?
No, even there was some days, but when I was on highways or when I was on some state highways, so there were people. They helped me. They came forward. Like when I was in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and in even in Gujarat also. तो वहाँ पे कुछ लोगों ने जिनके ढाबे थे या स्मॉल छोटे छोटे घर थे आसपास हाईवे के आसपास, उन्होंने पहली बार वो मुझसे लाइफ में मिले और उस टाइम मेरे पास कोई कांटेक्ट नहीं था. So they helped me to stay and get food with them. So there has not been a single day where I was away from the people and I did not get help. I It can be that कि बहुत लेट मुझे हेल्प मिली, बहुत टाइम बाद वेट करने के बाद मुझे हेल्प मिला. ओके, लाइक रात को
Mm-hmm.
11 बजे, रात को 12 बजे तक मैंने वेट किया. बट ये
Rakesh Sharma has joined us and he's asking VV things like कि आपके जो हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं वो आपको ऑलरेडी पहले से काफी जानते हैं. सो क्या है ये स्टोरी अंकित भाई, बता दो, हमें भी
कौन
बताओ। वीवीएस लक्ष्मण,
कौन वीवेस लक्ष्मण,
वीवीएस
it's not
लक्ष्मण वाली।
yeah, so I have met some very important people also in my journey. So I met VVS Lakshman in Hyderabad. I met Sudha Murthy in Bangalore. I have met Kiran Bedi ma'am in Pondicherry. I have met A.R. Rahman in Chennai. And I have met Prakash Amte in Maharashtra. And Yukta Mukhi, the former Miss World in Pune. So these are some people I wanted to meet because they are very down to earth and soft spoken. So I met VVS Lakshman in Hyderabad, and
Right.
he was also meeting me like a normal person without any appointment, without any special arrangement. Someone else connected me. The people who were hosting me in Hyderabad, they connected me to VVS Lakshman, and he talked to me for 30 minutes face to face. He was also asking me the same question like you are asking me. He was also talking to me, knowing my journey in the same manner like you are talking to me. So it was a very good experience, and he asked me everything, that how I am learning about India, how I am meeting the different people. Even Sudha Murthy ma'am also talked to me in the same manner. Kiran Vedi Rahman, they also talked to me about my journey. So it's very beautiful meeting them.
It is actually very difficult not to, you know, get yourself intrigued or interested in
Yeah.
the kind of travel that you do.
Mhm.
So it
Yeah.
is really difficult for people like me.
Mhm.
Okay, so tell me about the Shopian story. I mean, isn't
Yeah.
it the one where you were mistook as the hair chopper guy? So
Yeah.
what was it about?
Shopia is a very another very interior village in Kashmir. It's a 30
I
kilo.
can see your smile very well, Ankit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is
So
actually a
that
very funny
village,
story.
uh, and that also tells about the perception of the people. Okay. So Shopia is 30 kilometers
Right.
from Srinagar, the capital of Jammu Kashmir, and I was not aware about Shopia. Okay, if you are watching news channels
Mhm.
regularly, so you will find the name of Shopia because that is a base of militancy. You will
Right.
hear the news about
Mhm.
firing and killings of militants and killings of local people and
Yes.
army people. But I was not aware of that. I was just
Mhm.
passing through that village, but I got four beautiful stories from that village, and it happens
Okay.
with a traveler that a traveler is considered
Mhm.
sometime as a terrorist, sometime as a god, also sometime as someone else. So I there was a national crime happening, which was hair chopping. कोई mysterious figure था,
Mhm.
तो वो लोगों के घरों में आके सोते हुए लेडीज और सोते हुए जो वुमेन थे उनके उनके बाल काट के जा रहे थे वो, and
Okay.
they did not know who is doing that. No one was knowing, and I
Mhm.
was an outsider in that village क्योंकि वहाँ उस विलेज में एज ए टूरिस्ट कोई नहीं जाता, क्योंकि सब डरते हैं उस गांव में
Mhm.
जाने से। अगर आप कार में भी जा रहे हैं और दिन में भी जा रहे हैं तब भी आपको मना करते हैं उस गांव में जाने से। बट मैं साइकिल पे था, ओपनली,
Mhm.
और बिना कुछ जाने पहचाने में उस गांव में घुस गया। तो लोग आ रहे थे मुझे मेरे पास, मुझे रोकने के
Mhm.
लिए, मुझे दूर दूर से चिल्ला रहे थे कि ही इज द हेयर चॉपर, ही इज द पर्सन, ही इज द कल्प्रेट, स्टॉप हिम, हु इज दैट पर्सन।
Mhm.
तो मेरे पास आए कुछ लोग बात करने के लिए, फिर मैंने बताया कि नहीं, आई एम जस्ट अ ट्रैवलर, आई एम डूइंग दिस जर्नी। देन दे बिकेम माई फ्रेंड विद इन 2 मिनट्स, दे वर वेरी हैप्पी। ओके, उन्होंने बोला कि हमें अपने घर वालों की चिंता है, हमें अपनी लेडीज की चिंता है, दैट्स वाई वी आर क्वेश्चनिंग यू, बट यू आर ओके, आप आगे जा
Right.
सकते हो। फिर उन्होंने पूछा कि आपके पास कोई शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट है लाइक सीजर और नाइफ। तो मैंने कहा हाँ, आई हैव अ सीजर फॉर माई पर्सनल
Mhm.
यूज। तो उन्होंने बोला कि थ्रो इट अवे
Mhm.
because we have believed your story.
Okay.
What if someone else, they are not able to believe your story, so throw it away,
Does not.
that season.
Right.
So I, yeah, then I went ahead. So मैं उसी गांव में थोड़ा आगे जाके चाय पीने के लिए रुका, तो दो कश्मीरी किड्स आए।
Mhm.
उन्होंने, they
We're
were very
talking about the
surprised
same.
that, yes, same village.
Mhm.
तो
Mhm.
दो कश्मीरी किड्स आए, उन्होंने, they were very surprised that I have come on a bicycle to that village from another state of India. तो वो अपने
Mhm.
घर मुझे जबरदस्ती ले गए कि आप हमारे घर चलिए, हम आपको बिना खाना खाए चाय पिए बिना नहीं जाने देंगे, आपको चलना पड़ेगा हमारे घर। सो दे फोर्सफुली टुक मी टू देयर
Mhm.
होम, देन आई फिनिश देयर कप ऑफ टी। तो कश्मीर इज फेमस फॉर एप्पल्स, राइट? तो वो अपने गांव, अपने
Mhm.
खेत से वो 2 किलो एप्पल लेके आ गए मेरे लिए, कि ताकि मैं उन्हें पैक करके आगे की जर्नी में जा
Okay.
सकूं, खाने की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी मुझे। तो मैंने कहा कि आई एम ऑलरेडी कैरिंग दिस मच लगेज, 40 kg लगेज, हाउ कैन आई कैरी एक्स्ट्रा 2 kg? तो उन्होंने दे मेड द स्पेस इन माई लगेज, जगह बना दी। उन्होंने बोला ओके ब्रदर, नाउ यू हैव द स्पेस, नाउ यू कैन कैरी दीज एप्पल्स। देन फिर मैं उस गांव में पहुंचा। तो वहाँ पे और भी और 2 स्टोरीज और अच्छी मिली। वहाँ पे एक सिख फैमिलीज मिली मुझे। उन्होंने बोला नो, नो वन विल हेल्प यू इन दिस विलेज फॉर स्टे। तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि अगर आपका गुरुद्वारा है तो मैं गुरुद्वारे के बाहर सो सकता हूँ? तो उन्होंने बोला कि हमारे पास कोई रूम नहीं है, बट यस यू कैन स्लीप आउटसाइड। तो बट उन्होंने बाद में डिसाइड किया कि ओके, सो दैट वाज समथिंग डिफरेंट इन देयर हिस्ट्री। फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम they allowed a stranger to go inside to the Guru Granth Sahib and sleep with the Guru Granth Sahib for the first time in the history of any Gurudwara. उन्होंने
Are
मुझसे
you
बोला
talking
कि
about
आप
the main hall जहाँ पर I mean हम
यस
सब वहाँ पर जो पूजा वगैरह जो भी होता है, आप वहाँ पर की बात कर रहे हैं?
यस यस यस
So this is the
यस
first time
जहाँ पे
I've
किसी
heard
को
this
रात को
because
रुकना अलाउ नहीं होता।
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैंने भी कभी, because I have stayed in गुरुद्वारास काफी जगह पर, I mean पंजाब, हरियाणा, हिमाचल, काफी जगह पर मैं गुरुद्वारास में रुका हूँ। बट ये जो जो मेन हॉल है जहाँ पर हम बैठ के हम मेडिटेट करते हैं और जो हम उनका पूजा वगैरह पूरा हम जो करते हैं,
या
तो वहाँ पर तो मैंने कभी नहीं सुना कि वहाँ पर कभी किसी को ऐसे रुकने दिया जाता है, स्पेशली
या
समवन
एंड
हु
इट
इज नॉट सिक।
यस यस it was a very small room like 10 by 10 and so they allowed me because it was getting colder। कश्मीर में सर्दी पड़ रही थी और रात को अंधेरा भी था, मुझे बाहर खतरा भी हो सकता था सोने में। तो उन्होंने मुझे अलाउ किया कि आप आज रात यहाँ अंदर सो जाइए, बस अपने पाँव को अपोजिट साइड में रखना, गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब की तरफ आपका सिर होना चाहिए। सो दैट वाज
ऑब्वियसली।
अनदर स्टोरी। फिर मैं अगले दिन उस गांव से निकल गया। फिर उस गांव में बहुत सारे लोग मेरा वीडियो बना रहे थे बिकॉज आई वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन जो एक टूरिस्ट की तरह उनके गांव में गया था। तो
दैट
मुझसे
टू ऑन अ
पूछ रहे थे
बाइसिकल।
कि डिड वी, या, so they were asking me, did we do anything wrong to you? Did you feel any threat because of us? So I said, no, you all took care of me and you are all very lovely. तो उन्होंने बोला कि brother, whenever you are going to other places of India, please tell them we are also human and we also want to meet other people in India. It's just media newses which is creating rumors, but we are also humans.
So Sudeep Roy is asking how you find difference between the village people and city people when they hosted you. So before you answer that, Ankit, I would
Mhm.
like to tell Mr. Sudeep that Ankit has already answered this question. So once this video is, when we are finished with this interview, we are going to upload it on our group, and वहाँ पर जाकर आप देख सकते हैं starting के जो हमारा जो third और fourth question था, so वहाँ पर Ankit has answered this thing. So, Abhishek, Abhishek is here. Abhishek, let me tell you, Ankit, Abhishek is one of the members of admin panel, and he has been
Okay.
great. He has been really great so far. So he has some questions for you. How do you handle Indian parents ka wo expectations when you go for
Mhm.
such a long unscheduled journey, and can they take care of
Mhm.
themselves when you are traveling?
So I think it's a personal. I will not say that everyone should do, and everyone is not able to do such kind of journey because of some responsibility. That's very obvious. Everyone cannot home and everyone cannot leave their family members. But fortunately, I am able to do it, and many people are helping me because they are living their dream through my journey. I have met many people जिन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि वो भी ऐसी जर्नी कभी करना चाहते थे, लेकिन वो अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स, पेरेंट्स के कारण या पढ़ाई के कारण, स्टडीज के कारण कभी कर नहीं पाए। लेकिन जब उन्होंने मुझे देखा, सो दे
Right.
स्टार्टेड टू लिव दिस ड्रीम थ्रू मी। So I think if someone wants to do this kind of journey, so first he or she has to be 100% confident. तो मैं 100% कॉन्फिडेंट था, मुझे पता था मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं पहले कर भी रहा था छोटी छोटी जर्नी, इसलिए मैंने स्टार्ट किया। तो जब आप 100% कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं तो आसपास के लोग भी आपको सुनना शुरू कर देते हैं, आसपास के लोग आपको सपोर्ट करना शुरू कर देते हैं। So मेरे family members भी है, they are reading my stories every day, they are reading my interviews and
Mhm.
whatever I'm doing. They are at
Right.
one place and I am exploring whole India. So they are knowing where I am.
Right. Okay, well, so moving on, any particular incident that will live with you till you stop breathing? Any
Hmm.
one particular moment?
Yeah, I think uh, it's very tough to select one incident, but yes, I'll tell you one.
I'm sure, I'm sure. I mean, out
Yeah.
of those thousands of memories that you have created, it is very difficult. But this is why I,
Yeah.
I'm not going to ask you simple questions.
So I'll tell you one incident from. So there was a school in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I was
Mhm.
addressing some students, and there were
Mhm.
200 or 300 students. They were listening to my stories about India, about my travel experiences. So after the session,
Mhm.
when I was going, so one girl from ninth class, she came to me and she told me, brother. So I always say, whenever I'm addressing the people or the students, I always say that don't call me sir. I am not a teacher. Always call me
Mhm.
brother. So that
Right.
girl came to me and she told me, brother, I heard that you like nature and you like to be in villages, you like to be with nature, and you are also going through some body pains. You have fevers and you have spondylitis. So I have brought one
Mhm.
this guava. वो एक अमरूद लेके आई थी मेरे लिए. तो उसने बोला,
Okay.
ब्रदर ये अमरूद मेरे खुद हमारे गार्डन के एक पेड़ में से है. आई वांट टू गिफ्ट दिस गुआवा टू यू. तो उसने एक
Mhm.
छोटा सा अमरूद दिया और वो बोल के वो चली गई.
एंड उसने आपके बारे में पढ़ा और तब वो आपसे मिलने के लिए आई थी.
Yeah.
Wow, how sweet. So, courtesy to Rakesh. Rakesh is asking that do you have any plans to do world tour on cycle?
Yes, I want to go to some nearby countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan. Those are very beautiful countries. I want to go to, and I want to do such kind of journey in Pakistan, Afghanistan. I want to meet, I want to stay in their homes. I want to connect like I am connecting Indians. So that is my dream
Mm-hmm.
in Nepal, Bhutan, and uh, Tibet, Cambodia, and Pakistan and Afghanistan.
Mm-hmm. So, I think now is the time to show all our viewers what is that painting all about.
Yeah,
Would you like to show them?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So I'll show you. So this painting is a very big painting and it shows all my journey, all the people. So I'll tell you, this is my portrait. You can see my face, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, of course.
And behind my face is the Indian map, like India map.
Yes, yes,
So
I can see that.
I'm staying with an artist lady in Bangalore, Sri Devi, and
Uh-huh.
she has made this painting as a gift for me. So all
Wow.
these people, these are Indians and all the families I have met during my journey. Like you can see all
Uh-huh.
the people here. So these are the families who hosted
Wow.
me, and these are the
Wow.
activities which I have done, like farming, pottery.
Mm-hmm.
These are the tribals of Chhattisgarh, the women farmers
Mm-hmm.
of India, and here I am weaving my own shirt.
Oh, wow.
Then this is how people feed me in villages, like I am sitting with a lady in the fields.
Mm-hmm.
Then
So
here
you
I am
you are
making
doing
wood.
archery as well.
Yes, yes, archery that I did in Chhattisgarh.
Uh, uh-huh.
Then here I'm making mud houses in villages, mud houses and mud structures.
Wow. Wow.
Then
Wow.
this is the wooden sculpture. I'm making spoons and bowls here.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see I have written
Wow.
some things. One boy, many lives, journey beyond borders.
Wow. That is so true.
And this is something that in every state, I'm wearing the local attire. I'm mixing into the culture. So
Okay.
this is me in Tamil attire. This
Uh-huh.
is me in Kerala attire. This is me
Okay.
in Chhattisgarh tribal attire. And this is
Okay.
me in Hyderabadi Nawabi attire. And this is
Okay.
me in Maharashtrian attire. And this is me in Telugu,
Uh-huh.
Andhra Pradesh attire.
Okay. Okay.
So all
Wow.
these people, the idea of the painting is that all the people are becoming part of my body, and we all together are becoming part of Indian map. So this is a one family.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, here, this is the
Hell of
picture
a
from,
painting, I must say, Ankit. Hell of a painting.
yeah. So here one quotation I want to tell you. This is about this.
Please,
No
please, please.
nation, no border, together. So this is the idea of my journey. There is no border. It's a journey beyond borders.
Mm-hmm. Rightly said. Rightly said. So, I mean, kudos to the artist. Kudos to the
Yeah,
artist.
yeah,
Is she with you right now? I mean, are you guys in the same house?
yeah, yeah. She is with me in the same house. Yeah.
Okay, so why don't we wrap this up as soon as we can and उनके साथ में भी थोड़ा
Mhm.
सा बातें बातें थोड़ा करते हैं if she is
ठीक है.
comfortable, of course.
Yeah, yeah. I'll ask her. I'll ask her.
Okay, so
1 second.
yeah, sure. So just tell her that I mean she can get ready. Yeah. Thank you for staying with us, guys. We are still connected to Ankit. I have some more questions to him, and of course, आप लोगों के तो क्वेश्चन खत्म हो ही नहीं रहे हैं. Of course, जैसा कि मैं देख पा रहा हूँ. I hope you all are enjoying our session.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Yes,
she's
hi Ankit.
coming. Yeah, she's coming. Just wait
Perfect,
for one
perfect,
minute here.
perfect.
Yeah.
Sure, 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 sure.
Yeah. So she's here. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Hi
she's
Shri,
she,
how are you?
Hi. Yeah, I'm good.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. I can. Yes,
That
I
is
can.
one hell of a painting that, one of the most beautiful paintings I've ever seen.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, I mean,
Thank
hell of a man, hell of a journey, and hell of a painting.
Yeah, he deserves it.
So how much, yeah, please, you were saying something.
No, please carry on. I just said he deserved it. There's nothing else.
Definitely, definitely he does. So how much time did it take to, make this painting?
It was pretty long. I think around 2 months because we kept on
Uh-huh.
adding and deleting a lot of stuffs, the way he remembered it and the
Okay.
way he wanted to incorporate it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there are a lot
And so
of
you were following his journey from how long? I mean, were
a
you
year
friends
and a
with him before he started his journey? Acha,
No,
okay.
I knew him after. I've been in touch with him for almost 1 year plus.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, so I
so she
mean,
found
of course he's yeah, yeah, Ankit.
she found me on Instagram. I mean, someone else connected her to me
Mm-hmm.
because people are reading my stories on social media. So they
Mm-hmm.
keep sharing my stories. So she was told about me by someone else in Bangalore. So
Mm-hmm.
she connected me from Bangalore, and then she invited me to stay with her and learn some traditional art. So she has also taught me some traditional art forms of India like Madhubani paintings and Gond painting and
Mm-hmm.
some furniture paintings.
Basically,
Wow.
in this, like I do portrait artist, like I paint faces like
Mm-hmm.
portraits, right? All those stuff. So I saw the most
Okay.
important thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
How anyone perceives or sees it. So here,
Yeah.
it is still the eyes. What I wanted to portray is that they are still searching.
Mm-hmm.
So the journey is not complete.
Right, right.
Maybe even if he completes all the states and union
Mm-hmm.
territories, I think it will still be
Mm-hmm.
incomplete. Because if it
Right.
finishes, we all have something empty inside us. So that
Mm-hmm.
thirst will not be
Mm-hmm.
quenched. It will somehow
Right.
transform into something else.
Yes.
So I wanted to paint him for a long time. I told him, then he said that he might be
Mhm.
coming to South. So invited him and
Mhm.
he accepted. So here we are.
And he visited you, and then the lockdown happened.
Yeah.
Maybe it was meant to happen so that this could happen.
Yeah, well. That is
In that
so
way.
sweet of you. I mean, yeah, very sweet. So I hope we will try to have a conversation with you sometime later. So I mean, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके, and the painting you have created. I mean, it is just simply amazing. So thank you so
Thank you.
much
Thanks so
for
much.
for this masterpiece.
Oh, no, not yet, not yet. But so really kind of you to appreciate it like that. Really, really touched.
Well, thank you
Thank you.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I'll take my leave.
Thank
I'll
you.
take my leave. Huh? Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. So, Ankit, moving forward,
Yeah.
yeah. So, Sakshi Rampal has a question for you. I
Yep.
also read that your mother is a rider, and also recorded a record. Is it true? And did you get your traveling inspiration from your home, or they get this from you?
Yeah, so she's not my biological mom. She met me during the journey.
Mhm.
That is another very beautiful story
Okay.
in my journey. That how did I find a
Acha.
new mother?
Okay.
Yeah. So she is
Okay.
Vaishali Kulkarni from Andhra Pradesh, and she is 53 right
Mhm.
now. 53, and at the
Mhm.
age of 50, she has become the first woman solo motorbiker from Andhra Pradesh. So
Mhm.
like I'm staying with new people. So she came into my life as a host. She was hosting me in
Mhm.
Vishakhapatnam, and
Okay.
when we met each other, so we exchanged some emotions, and we had some coincidences, and we had some common stories of exploration and journey, and so we created a special bonding with each other, and so that is
Mhm.
how we have adopted each other as mom and son. So she is now my
Wow.
mom, and yes, that's how we
Mhm.
call each other. And she is a Marathi person, so I call her Ai. Ai means mom.
Mhm. Great, Ankit, great. So
Yeah.
Sonia Gulati has a comment for you. Great, Ankit, you are a great inspiration, and plus one.
Thank
I
you.
mean, of course,
Thank you.
you are an inspiration for all of us.
It's a mutual inspiration.
So
We all inspire each other.
definitely, we all are learning from each other.
Mhm.
We are sharing, and we are helping each other to grow and evolve.
Yeah.
So yes, of course. Um, Manisha Shimpi, I hope you got your answer. Sakshi has asked the same thing. Rajni Sharma is saying Kashmiri people are like soft willow and walnuts. So
Yeah.
yeah, and amazing painting, of course. Kanchan Jadli, you should have your answer. I mean, if you scroll it up, Amit has answered to your question. Sangmitra Ghatke is saying beautiful painting. Let me introduce Ankit to you. So
Mhm.
Sangmitra is our, one of our moderators of this group, and she
Mhm.
handles over the content moderation part, and
Okay.
she is one of the sweetest members of our group.
Great.
So
Thank you.
she's also with us.
Mhm.
Um, Manisha Shimpi is asking, Ankit, have you thought to write a book, or taking away from your
Mhm.
everyday and your experiences? Have you thought of writing any book?
Yeah, yeah. No, that is my another dream. It's not a big target, but yeah, it's my side dream that I want to share my stories through a book format. And yes, I'll be complying. I'm already writing my stories every day on social media, like India on my cycle, day
Hmm.
1000, day
Right.
1001. So I want to collect
Hmm.
all those stories into a book. Yes, that's my dream.
Hmm. Right. So going forward, can you summarize this country and people in 3 words?
Hmm. Okay, I'll try. Uh, First and foremost word which comes to my mind for this country is welcoming. Okay, we welcome
Hmm.
each other with open hearts, and all the people from different culture they mix with each other. So welcoming is the first word. Second word is
Mm-hmm.
the believer. We all in India, especially in India, we all believe in so many stories, so many mythological stories, our history, our geography. So all our history and geography, that is based on some beliefs which we are told from education system or from our parents, and we believe on each other's emotions. So first two words are welcoming and believer. Third word is might sound a little negative, but still I want to say it.
Mm-hmm.
So last word is still, I want to say we in India, I think we are ignorant to some extent. We
Okay.
don't, because we don't know uh, most of the facts, real facts. We always believe on fake news. We always believe on some stories which are folklores.
Mm-hmm.
तो कहीं ना कहीं हम इग्नोरेंट हो जाते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं हम इग्नोरेंस में फंस जाते हैं रियल रियल दुनिया से. So three words are
Right.
welcoming, believer and ignorant.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, any piece of advice that you would like to give to a young fellow travelers who wish to embark upon, the same journey that you have been doing all this while?
Yeah, so I want to say to everyone that at least we should dedicate some time in our life to travel the world, to travel our locality, our community, because
Mm-hmm.
no one in these days, no one is connecting with the community. We have forgotten how to connect with the people.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Everyone is dependent on mobile phones and Google and YouTube, but no one is actually learning
Mm-hmm.
from the society. So I want to
Right.
say that be with the community, नए लोगों से मिलिए, नए लैंग्वेज के लोगों से मिलिए, नए टेरेन, नए स्टेट के लोगों से मिलिए, देखिए वो कैसे रहते
Mm-hmm.
हैं, के साथ उनके घर में रहिए, भले ही कैसी भी सिचुएशन हो, कैसा
Mm-hmm.
भी मौसम हो, कैसा भी क्लाइमेट हो, उनके साथ रहिए. एंड हम जैसे डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, लॉयर बनने के लिए 5 साल एक डिग्री कोर्स में डेडिकेट करते हैं. So in the same manner,
Mm-hmm.
we should dedicate 3 to 4 years to become a complete human. We should travel for
Mm-hmm.
3 to 4 years. क्योंकि अगर हम एक अपना
Mm-hmm.
करियर बनाने के लिए अगर 5 साल दे रहे हैं, तो उसमें से 2 साल
Mm-hmm.
हम ट्रैवल करने के लिए भी दे सकते हैं. तो उन दो
Right.
सालों में आप गाँव में जाके रहिए, अलग स्टेट्स में जाके रहिए, फार्मर्स के साथ रहिए, वीवर्स, आर्टिस्ट के साथ रहिए. तो जो भी आप
Mm-hmm.
सीखेंगे उस चीज़ से, वो चीज़ आपको किसी यूनिवर्सिटी, किसी कॉलेज की डिग्री से नहीं मिलने वाली.
Mm-hmm. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. So, Rajni Sharma has a comment. Thank you, Ankit, for making my day after hearing the tragic loss of great actor Sushant, who will be missed for the rest
Yeah,
of his life.
yeah.
So, Ankit, do you have something to say on this?
Yeah, it was very shocking. I was just sitting around 4 or 5 o'clock, and I just got a news from social media that he has passed away. So it was very shocking.
Mm-hmm.
Just some days ago, I saw his movies, like recent movies, and he played a good role in Dhoni biopic. So I think
Right,
that is what I have learned in journey also, that connect with the people. That is how you can help them emotionally. They will not be left
right.
alone. They will not commit suicide. So travel connects people.
Mm-hmm. Right. So, do you think that in the end it is all about creating memories?
Yes, absolutely. That's what we crave for. That's the experiences. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
that's what we crave for. That's what we wish for.
Mm-hmm. So the loss of Sushant is, of course, I mean, I can totally relate to your words, and
Mm.
I can totally relate to the feelings of, I mean, the entire nation what we are feeling right now. So
Yeah.
indeed, he was a great personality. He was a great actor, and I hope his soul rests in peace. And wherever he is, I mean,
Mm.
I mean, the best wishes from my side to his family and to all of his friends and relatives. So
Yeah.
indeed, we have lost a great actor, a great human.
Mm. Yes.
So last question for you, Ankit. Did IST help you in any way during your travel?
Yeah, absolutely. I think I started sharing my stories 2 years ago on IST platform. एंड आपके ग्रुप से,
Mm-hmm.
इस IST ग्रुप से मुझे बहुत से लोगों ने होस्ट किया, पुणे में, नागपुर में. हैदराबाद में, और बहुत से लोग ऑनलाइन कनेक्ट हुए मुझसे जो मेरा वेट कर रहे हैं अलग अलग सिटीज़ में। जैसे मैं वेस्ट
वाओ,
बंगाल अभी नहीं पहुंचा हूँ, या फिर नॉर्थ ईस्ट अभी नहीं पहुंचा हूँ, तो वहाँ पे बहुत से लोग मेरा वेट कर रहे हैं आपके ग्रुप। जब भी मैं कोई पोस्ट डालता हूँ तो बहुत से लोग शेयर करते हैं, रीड करते हैं, अपनी अपने थॉट्स शेयर करते हैं। सो दैट इज़ आई थिंक इंस्पायरिंग, मोटिवेटिंग फॉर मी, कि लोग पढ़ रहे हैं मेरी स्टोरीज आपके
बिल्कुल,
ग्रुप से और उससे कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं। सो दैट इज़ वेरी मोटिवेटिंग।
राइट। So I think it's time to wrap this up. Of course, I do not want to do that, but I mean, ऐसा लगता है कि बस आपसे बातें करते रहें, आपकी स्टोरी सुनते रहें, और ये जो चर्चा है कभी खत्म ही ना हो. But
Yeah,
unfortunately, we will have to do that.
we have to do it.
So
Yes.
thank you so much for your time, Ankit. I hope you are keeping yourself safe, and you are taking all the precautions, and I wish all of our members a great year ahead. I mean, of course, बहुत खराब टाइम हमारा रहा है in past 6 months or so, but wherever we are, I hope कि things get better soon, और हम सब फिर से travel कर पाएं, हम सब लोग फिर से जैसे हम पहले अपनी लाइफ जी पा रहे थे, हम वैसे तब कर पाएं. सो तब तक के
Mm.
लिए आई ट्रूली विश कि आप सब लोग खुश रहें, आप सब लोग जहाँ पर हैं बिल्कुल सेफ रहें, और हम आपके लिए हम ऐसे स्टोरीज और ऐसे सेशंस लाते रहेंगे अंकित जैसे. और इट वुड बी ग्रेट अंकित अगर हम फिर कभी ऐसा सेशन हम फिर से दोबारा से करें, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर कि
बिल्कुल,
अभी तो
एब्सोल्युटली।
हमने आधी क्या, अभी
हाँ,
तो हमने बिल्कुल कुछ भी बातें
हाँ,
करी नहीं है, अभी तो बहुत कुछ बाकी
हाँ,
है.
हाँ।
So on that note, thank you so much, Ankit, for joining us. I am wrapping this up, and
थैंक यू,
we will
थैंक
come
यू।
up with another episode in IST Sessions episode 3 next Sunday, hopefully. So till then, take care, bye bye, और see you. फिर मिलेंगे जल्दी.
यस,
Bye,
थैंक
Ankit.
यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट। थैंक यू। And if anyone wants to ask question, they can ask me, and they can connect with me.
Mm-hmm.
And
They
yes,
can keep
last thing
asking
is that,
you. They can. हाँ
yeah,
हाँ.
and last thing is that,
अच्छा अच्छा, before we end this, yeah, please
mhm.
please please.
So I
नहीं
want
नहीं,
to
फिर
say
आप
that
बताइए.
I want to say that half India is still pending in my journey. I will be coming to many different places, many different states. So I would like to connect
Mm-hmm.
with more people from this group if they want to meet me, if they want to host me in their own city, in their own village, if they want to exchange
Mm-hmm.
knowledge, so they can connect me. I'll be waiting for more people.
I'm sure there will be many, and if any of you are watching us, so अंकित अभी अभी अंकित का तो अभी सफर स्टार्ट हुआ है, अभी खत्म तो बहुत दूर की बात है, अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है. सो वो जहाँ जहाँ जाते हैं, लेट्स होप कि वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों से मिल पाए. Before I finish this, Sangmitra has written something. She is saying the best quality what inspires me from your journey, your story, and you is your modesty, compassion that you share to everybody you meet. All the very best for your journey. Stay safe, and please keep sharing us your experiences. It inspires us a lot.
Thank you, Sangmitra. And yes, whatever you are telling my experiences, that's all because of the people. If people are not there, if community is not there, I'll not be able to share these stories. So Ankit is nothing uh, beyond these people, beyond these stories. Ankit is nothing.
Of course. Ankit is within us.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल. चलिए ठीक है, देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.
Yes.
बहुत अपना
Bye.
ध्यान रखिए अंकित. ओके, फिर मिलेंगे.
Yes. Thank you. Yes.
ओके, बाय बाय गाइस.